In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Otter AI in Google Meet. Otter AI is a powerful tool for transcribing meetings, but there may be times when you want to turn off its automatic recording features. Whether it's for security reasons or simply to manage what gets captured, this guide will help you understand how to do it step by step. Let's begin by heading over to your Otter AI account. First, open your browser and navigate to the Otter AI website. You'll want to log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, look at the top menu where you'll find the option labeled My Conversations. Click on that to access all your stored conversations and settings within Otter AI. After that, direct your attention to the Profile section. You should see an icon or your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will usually display a drop-down menu where you'll find various options relating to your account. Next up, you'll want to access Account Settings. Once you're in the Profile menu, look for Account Settings and click on it. Here is where you can control various functionalities of Otter AI, including those linked to Google Meet integrations. We've made it this far, and now we're getting to the crux of things. Inside Account Settings, search for the section that involves collaborators and sharing. In this part of the settings, you'll be able to manage who can share and access your notes automatically. There's a toggle switch here labeled Collaborators to Share. To disable automatic sharing through Otter AI during Google Meet or other platforms, simply switch this toggle off. This ensures that your conversations remain private and are not shared without your consent. Another feature you may want to adjust is sending pre-recording emails. This option can be quite useful if you want your colleagues to be aware of the recording before it begins. While you're here, make sure you update any settings relevant to pre-meeting notifications according to your needs. Finally, let's address the auto capture meeting screens. Within the same settings menu, find Auto Capture Meeting Screens. This function allows the app to capture and record what's displayed during meetings. If you're looking to limit the information captured, it's wise to disable this feature. Simply turn off the toggle, thereby ensuring that none of the screen data during your Google Meet sessions get recorded without your permission. Just like that, you've customized Otter AI to better suit your privacy and preference needs during your Google Meet sessions. Congratulations, you've taken important steps toward controlling how your information is managed when using powerful tools like Otter AI. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to make further adjustments as needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.